Ever wondered which OBD scanner gives you the best bang for your buck, the Ancel FX6100 or the Mucar VO8? Today, I'm putting these two side by side to help you decide which one deserves a spot in your toolbox.
The Ancel FX6100 OBD2 scanner, a smart pick for DIYers and pro mechanics alike. Powered by Android 10.0 and a responsive 1.8 GHz quad-core processor, this diagnostic tablet delivers smooth, lag-free performance even during intensive scans. The vibrant 6.2-inch HD screen, 1024 by 600, offers clear visuals in any garage lighting. With 2 GB RAM and 32 GB of storage, it handles advanced diagnostics and reports storage with ease. A high-capacity 4,150 mAh battery provides longer work. Enjoy lifetime free updates via 2.4G Wi-Fi, no hidden fees, ever. The FX6100 is a powerful all-in-one car scanner diagnostic tool that provides full access to all available vehicle systems. It lets you retrieve ECU info, read and clear trouble codes, view live data, and run active tests across every system, including ECM, BCM, ABS, SAS, EVAP, TPMS, BMS, EPB, fuel system, AC, and more. Simplify vehicle maintenance with permanently free and updatable reset functions, including oil reset, battery matching, TPMS reset, brake pad reset, steering angle calibration, ABS bleeding, DPF regeneration, and more. This car scanner is ideal for post-repair calibrations, saving both time and money. Maintain your vehicle in optimal condition with zero recurring costs. The FX6100 OBD2 scanner empowers users to send commands directly to the vehicle's ECU for active tests, enabling precise and rapid fault pinpointing on critical components like injectors, coolant pumps, windows, wipers, headlights, mirrors, and more. Designed for car DIY enthusiasts, workshops, and repair shops, this scanner boosts efficiency by 30%, saving time and elevating diagnostic accuracy to professional levels. FX6100 Scanner Para Autos is an ideal tool for mechanics and repairs. It supports SAE-J 1850 PWM, SAE-J 1850 VPW, ISO 9141-2 ISO, ISO 14230-4 kWp, ISO 15765-4 CAN, and the latest CAN-FD protocol for faster, more efficient communication with modern ECUs. Covering 100-plus car brands and over 100,000 vehicle models worldwide, with 20-plus language options, it's built to serve professionals and enthusiasts around the globe. Okay, now let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: bidirectional controls, full system coverage, lifetime free updates, easy to use, affordable for the features. And cons: some functions may be limited by car make, no touchscreen if you're used to tablets. If you're a home mechanic or a garage pro looking for power without breaking the bank, the Ancel FX6100 is absolutely worth checking out. Durable, reliable, and full of features you'll actually use. The Mucar VO8 OBD2 scanner, a powerful tool that could change the way you maintain your car. Okay, never waste your time. Let's talk about feature. Enhanced hardware configuration with Android 8.0, 8-inch bigger screen, bigger 2 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM, 9,450 mAh rechargeable battery and adjustable kickstand. Faster transmission rate with Wi-Fi and 8MP rear camera for easy VIN identification. 34+ advanced repairs and maintenance designed for mechanics and workshops, It offers 34+ professional reset service functions like Perform KY programming, Gear, SAS, EPB, TPMS, IMMO, BMS, ETS, Oil, Brake, AFS, Gearbox, Sunroof, SUS Reset, ABS Bleed, Injector Coating, and more. Get dealership-level relearn procedures for repairs. Provides accurate and in-depth results across all automotive systems with dealership-level, full system diagnostic tasks. Retrieve codes, read ECU information, view live data, and perform active tests to check module work status. The OBD2 scanner is a bidirectional scanner that quickly and accurately pinpoints fault causes by requesting information from a vehicle's ECU or sending commands to perform specific tests and functions. Preferred by car repair shop owners, professional mechanics, and advanced DIYers. The scan tool supports a 1300W pixel camera to automatically identify vehicle information with auto-VIN and starts auto-diagnose process. And it works on most OBDI-compliant vehicles worldwide in US, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia for 12V cars, SUV, light truck, hybrids, and even roadster. Automatically generate diagnostic report for further analysis. Pros: full system diagnostics, bidirectional control, active tests, 34+ reset and maintenance functions, Wi-Fi updates, wide vehicle compatibility. Cons: limited key programming, some advanced features may be locked. So, who is the Mucar V8 for? If you're a weekend warrior, an entry-level mechanic, or just want to stop guessing when your check engine light comes on, this is a fantastic investment. All in all, the Mucar V8 punches way above its weight class. It's fast, accurate, and packed with features that'll save you time and money. If you want to check it out, I've got a link in the description below.
Here's where the big difference comes in. The Ancel FX6100 is usually cheaper, making it great for DIY mechanics or someone who just wants a dependable tool for common problems. The Mucar VO8 costs more, but you're basically getting dealer-level functions at home. So, if you're serious about advanced diagnostics, that extra price makes sense. So, which one should you buy? Go with the Ancel FX6100 if you want a no-nonsense scanner that's reliable and budget-friendly, perfect for home use and quick fixes. Choose the Mucar VO8 if you want advanced features, touchscreen convenience, and professional-level depth. It's a long-term investment for enthusiasts and small shop owners. By the way, if you've already made up your mind, I've put both scanners' links in the description below so you can check the latest price and grab the one that suits you best. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.